Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Hotze, and I'm here with a longtime guest of ours, Christine Snitkin. And Christine used to live here in Houston, now has retired and lives in Austin now. But she came to see us in 2009. And the reason I wanted to share this with you is to have Christine share how she heard about us because of what recently happened when a friend of ours who we both loved and respected passed on.
Yeah, Suzanne Summer. She was just an amazing person in the health community. Most people know her through entertainment, from TV. And I came to know Dr. Hotze because Dr. Hotze interviewed Suzanne. Suzanne has written a number of books, and it was through that interview that I heard that she is such a big proponent. At the time, for me, it was the bioidentical hormones, and I happened to live in the area. I made an appointment. I came, and it's been 15 years now that I've been a guest here at Hotze. I feel great.
Well, let's just talk about what brought you in. You were 47 years old when you came in, and what kind of symptoms were you having?
Well, they were debilitating. They were things that the typical doctors aren't able to identify for any reason. So whether it was ringing in the ears and dizziness, anxiety, random itching.
You told me you were having some brain fog.
A lot of brain fog, yeah. Just unable to
And
think.
energy level was...
Tanked. No energy.
And your menstrual cycles prior to coming in, you had undergone an ablation. How old were you when you underwent ablation?
Yeah, it was right about that time. So it was my late 30s. Late 30s or early 40s right there.
So you were having dysfunctional uterine bleeding at the time, and when you went to see your OB-GYN, she wanted to do what?
Not only did she say I needed a hysterectomy, she suggested that I also have my ovaries removed just in case there's a problem with my ovaries in the future.
So they ended up doing an ablation. Which,
I chose that.
Right.
I said instead of that, I found another way, and I asked to have that ablation.
Now, had we seen you back then, we could have put you on natural progesterone and balanced out the estrogen so you wouldn't have had that. So any of you ladies that are having dysfunctional uterine bleeding, heavy bleeding, clots, intermenstrual bleeding, and this is getting worse and worse, that's a sign of hormonal imbalance, which can be easily corrected. Unfortunately, most OB-GYNs don't know how to correct it naturally, so they make their living either delivering babies, or when you grow up, then they end up doing hysterectomies. That's how they make their living. But it can be easily corrected. So I knew you were going to do well when you came in because you had had that previous problem, and I knew you had hormonal imbalance, and you were approaching midlife anyway, which is menopause at about 50, even though you had ablation and you'd gone through surgical menopause. Now we know your hormones were crashing. And so you saw, who did you see? Dr. Sheridan or Dr.
That was Dr. Sheridan
yeah.
to start. Now
So
I'm with Ellsworth.
So, and he started you on some natural thyroid, some progesterone, some bias, natural estrogen, put you on a little bit of cortisol, vitamins and minerals. How long did it take you to start feeling well?
Oh, very soon. Like within the first month, I started to feel changes.
And so you've been on the program for 15 years, and overall, on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being when you came in, on overall the way you felt, how would you say your overall improvement has been on a scale of 0 to 10?
I'm a 10. I'm a 10. I'm mountain climbing now. No fatigue.
Now this is amazing. Christine's been on the program 15 years and has done remarkably well. And she came in because she heard about me through my interview with Suzanne Summer, who just recently passed away this past week. And Christine brought a lovely little note for me, which I appreciate. That was very sweet. And what did when you talked to Suzanne, you went on a boat trip with her, and what did she tell you to do?
Well, I told Suzanne that I know Dr. Hotze, and I became a guest here because of her. And the first thing she said, please give Dr. Hotze a kiss for me.
Okay, you can do it right here.
That's from Suzanne.
Well, thanks so much for joining us today. And if any of you would like to get on a path of health and wellness naturally, like Christine has done, then please don't hesitate to give us a call. God bless you and thank you.